Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today I finally was able to get my hands on the new Anker Liberty 2 Pros. These are wireless earbuds. I have a lot of wireless earbuds and these are supposed to be really good. Now these are, I didn't get the first version of these. I got the second version, so shout out to Anker for sending these over. But these are going to retail for between $129 and $149, I'm sorry. And they come in two different colors. They come in a white and a black, and this is that black color right here. These look like they're going to be pretty good. I've heard good things about them. They've got a really high rating, but ultimately with all that extra techie stuff out of the way, these are supposed to last for up to 8 hours. You've got quad microphones for calls and 4 microphones, but it's just crazy, man. The noise canceling is supposed to be really good on here, so I can't wait to test these out. But all the techie stuff aside and all the specs and all that stuff, let's crack open this box here. The box is textured, and this is a really nice feeling box, believe it or not. It just feels really good. Now the case itself is supposed to get up to 32 hours of usage out of these. The case is a wireless charging case. Calls and everything is supposed to be stupid clear on here. Just stupid clear. So we shall see about that. I've heard nothing but good things about these and really couldn't wait to get them. And this technology here, the acoustic architecture, this is supposed to be really good. So all that aside, let's see if I can get them open here. Now you got a little tab here. All right. I like the presentation already. This is what I want to see right here. It slides up like that. That's beast mode right there. I'm feeling that, man. Let's get this peeled off. See, you got 3 bars on there. You've got Type C down there. Yep, got Type C. Really nice. And you got the syncing button right there, more than likely. This is a nice setup. Now let's get the headphones out. These are on the bigger side, as you can see. These are on the bigger side, and so they remind me about the size of my Sonys, but these look really good, man. And I can't wait to pair these up and tell you how they sound. I'm going to do that in this video and give you my first impressions. But they go down like this because they're magnetic. They go down and they're kind of weird. They go in reverse. And then you close it up. Boom, you can see it's charging right there. Now, in the box, yes, this is a thick box. It's like wasting cardboard, but I understand the premium packaging. For the price, they should have some premium packaging. You've got all these warranty cards and stuff. Nobody reads that. But here, you get a sense of how these actually come together and how they work. And so that is actually really good. Yeah. So in here, as you can see, you get the full suite, folks. You get the full suite of everything you need. The earbuds, the tips, you get your Type-C charger. This is, if you're paying 150 bucks for something, it needs to be like this, straight up and down. So we're gonna move this out of the way, and I'm gonna pair these up to the Galaxy S20, and we'll get it popping on here, and I'll tell you how I feel about this. This is pretty sweet, man, pretty sweet. All right. I think Anker has an application too, yep, the Soundcore app, there it is right there. You can see, get that installed. We'll get these pairs up. Let's see if they actually have the thing where you can actually pair it up through the application. I've never used these before, but just taking a look around this little egg-shaped thing here. This case is actually really nice. It's a soft touch matte feel to it, so it's really sweet. I think you guys will really enjoy that. Installation is going good. It's already installed, and we'll open it up here and let's see what's going on with the app. So it wants you to sign up. Let's skip this for now. Let's go headphones, Liberty Series 2. This is beast mode, and it's searching. Let's hit that button back. Oh, there they are right there. Yeah, there they are. Didn't have to do anything. And I like this right here. Couldn't pair. Let's check this. Let's press the button back here. Let's do this right here. Let's see if this is what it is. Get it in pairing mode. No, I didn't read the instructions, man. Come on, son. You know I ain't reading no instructions. They're pairing. I can see a little thing flashing in there. This is pretty sweet. Let's take one out. See if that'll put it in my ear. Get it powered on. Yeah, it's in pairing mode. It's got a little flash right there. There we go. Oh, yeah. Yep, paired with the Pros 2. I'm paired up. I can hear it in my ears. Yep, pair to the left, no doubt. And lets you see how they actually pair it up. Tells you that the battery is at 100. Oh, it's a firmware update. That's pretty sweet. Right out the box, it's a small firmware update. That's cool. Let's install it. Just leaving this all in the video so you'll see what you get into when you actually get yours out of the box. I'm going to take it out right here and put it to the side. This is actually pretty sweet, man. Just look at that. The design on there. That's pretty dope. Soundcore, these are nice. Again, the first ones, I didn't get them, man. I think the Sony's are still the best sounding earbuds, even though there's a lot of earbuds out there that actually sound really good. I like this case. I like everything about these so far. These are really, really sweet. So I'm gonna try to give you a continuous shot with this, man, and just get you set up right here so we can get this whole thing mastered up for you. Yeah, I like this. We'll pause this and come back. All right, guys. First impressions, they sound boss. I mean, they sound really good. Really feeling this little case right here. I just think it's the perfect fit. I mean, battery cases nowadays for your Bluetooth earbuds, they're getting sleeker and sleeker. Some of them are bigger, but this is an oval egg-shaped type, and so it's really, really nice. The application itself, I'll show you the application and all the different things you can do. But this case is really nice. And the earbuds, they go in this funky kind of way, like backwards. They go in backwards like this, and they are not gonna fall out. That is a strong magnet in these things, man. They are strong. So shut it up. Boom, done. You got a nice set of earbuds. The application is really detailed, man. I really like that. So I'll show you what it looks like here in a second when you pair them up and you get them going. But it's really nice. I think they sound good. I'll hold back on how well they compare next to my Sony's and all those other earbuds that I have until after I've used these for about a week or so. But first impressions, comfort, sound, really good. Cancels out sound really good. I'll test out phone calls because it says that they has the quad microphone set up for the 8 microphone set up for the phone calls and everything. So we shall see how this works out, but let's take a look at this application before we get out of here. I think you're gonna really like these. So remember to hit the link in the description if you decide to purchase them, but let's take a look at the application now. I think these are really nice. Let's go. All right, so when you get your setup like this, you go to the application. If you just open them up like this and then you just go to connect, it'll search. It already paired them up once and everything, so it's already there, but I don't know why it goes to that screen. But they're connected now. And when you go to connect, you'll get this screen. So now that they're connected, this application is super detailed, man. I mean, you've got your equalizer and you've got your controls. So in the equalizer, you can do all these different equalizer setups, man. Anything you want. You got your home, which is here, and then you got your controls. Now, right now, I have it set for the left one for my next track. And then The right side is my voice assistant. But if you change it to like volume for this right here, it defaults the other one, the left side, to the volume. So I'm going to change this to assistant, and it changes it back. So, but when I hit next like that, it goes to that side like that. So let's change it to volume and see if it defaults all of them to volume again. Yeah, so anytime you're using volume, it's going to change both of them to the volume like that. So this is your setup though. You've got your double tap up here as well. Single tap down here, or hold for 1 second. So I think I like to do next track here. Right is previous. Let's see if we can set it up like that, and then volume up and down like that. So this is the setup I'll use. Double tap for next track, double tap the right for previous, left hold 1 second, volume up, right hold 1 second, volume down. And that is my controls. You go home, this is what you see for your controls. And here's all the equalizers right now. This is just crazy. This is so much you can do. You can go to custom, but you gotta set up an account and everything, and I'll do that later. Well, let me see if it lets me. Okay, this is just if you want to save it. I guess you gotta have that account. But you know, ultimately, you can set your equalizer how you want to set it. This is pretty beast mode. Let's do it like that. And there you go. Now it probably won't save this, I'm assuming, but nonetheless, there it is. You can still see it. Looks like it's saved. Yeah, there we go. You can add it or whatever, but there's a whole bunch of difference in the sound quality that you can get through with this application. This is a very detailed application, like my Sony application. I mean, there is a whole bunch that you can get in up out of here. So I just like this entire look of the application. This is beast mode, folks. So there you have it, man. Unboxing and first impressions of the Liberty 2 Pros from Anker. I think I'm gonna like these, man. Got my application set up right. I got my equalizer set up right. Got them paired up to the Galaxy S20 Plus, and we good to go, man. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed first impressions and unboxing, and I'll see you. Take care.